Good morning. Good morning. Okay, so today you're going to go into the folder with today's date on it, 3/25. You're going to do your attendance or your warm-up. And then I need to give you a video link here. If it's not already on your page, I'll post it for you. But you will be watching this video link to complete the rest of your imperialism guided notes from Monday. And so you'll fill those out with the lecture that is provided right here. And then you will go to your 325 folder and you will complete questions 1 through 5 on your imperialism activity. So you'll go here, you'll open 325 and you'll notice that the directions say complete questions 1 through 5 on imperialism case study. So just complete questions 1 through 5 for homework, and we'll check your Google Doc to make sure that you've done it. Happy learning!